Because there are so many companies out there with diverse operating standards and operational methods, we wanted to try to standardize that. And when we found Smith's system, we found that they had a good structured program that provided theory as well as practical real-world experience. We wanted to use that to help enhance our safety program. We wanted to have outside eyes giving us some feedback on our most important safety feature, which is our driver. Before the Smith system, I think that everybody just kind of was going on what mom and dad taught you how to drive. There wasn't any structure, there wasn't any specific examples of how and what techniques to use to avoid incidents. We are a passenger carrier service, and their safety is our utmost concern. We've decreased our incidents by half. The severity of incidents has been greatly reduced, and I think the program is very affordable. How can you put a value on passenger safety? Our drivers, our equipment, the future of our company. I am so lucky that we found Smith. It's been a great partnership ever since.